Alright, people, this one is about hanging. It's called Tie the Noose Tight. You play it on YouTube in full, okay? I thought you'd passed on a long, long time ago when you were tried with a single blow. Were you not the hangman's victim, or was the noose to lose? Tie the noose tight as you can, with all your might in your hand. This man has lost his right to live. He took a life, and that he could never give. Tie the noose tight with all your might. Make it airtight and right, 'cause we're gonna hang this man tonight. The brother he killed demands justice, 'cause his blood was spilled with a blow from his fist. Tie the noose tight around his neck. He won't be slipping off the deck. He will be dead by heck. A life for a life the truth demands, 'cause here he stands with bloody hands. Tie the noose around his neck, so's he don't go slipping off the deck. 'Cause he's a killer you won't forget. Tie the noose tight with all your might, 'cause he is dying here tonight. Tie the noose tight as you can, with all your